Myself Sachin Gupta. I am MCom, MA Economics and net qualified in Economics. In the last lecture, we studied the formula, basic formula of national income. Now we start the numerical on the basics numericals. First, we see some abbreviation like GDP-MP and NPFC. Then we start the numerical. GDP-MP and NNPFC. GDP-MP. G stand for gross domestic product at market price. M for market, P for price. And NNPFC. NNPFC net national product at factor cost. When N at first place it is net, N come in the middle it is national. So net national product at factor cost. How we can change on the basis of the previous class, gross or net? Gross and net has relation depreciation. National and domestic has the relation NFIA, net factor income from abroad, and factor cost and market price NIP. So we can change according to that. P remains same. Similarly, GNPFC. So it is gross and बीच में आए तो national product at factor cost. Then NDPMP. N stand first place net. D for domestic. P for product. At इसको we can change MP. MP market price. So we can write GDP-MP, GNP-MP, NNPFC and so on. Okay? Next, now we start a numerical which is based on basic formulas. Say question. Calculate GDP-MP, GNP-FC, NDP-MP from the following data. ठीक? The question is in rupees crores. The figure is rupees crore. First, NNP at FC. NNPFC 2000. Second, depreciation 200. Third, NIT, net indirect taxes, NIT, which is 50. Last, fourth is NFIA, net factor income from abroad, or we can say NFIFE from abroad. Abroad can be written as rest of the world. NFIA, net factor income from abroad. This is minus 20. Now we calculate first GDP MP. National NNPFC is national income. This is when we can say in the question calculate national income, we calculate NNPFC. Now it is basic. When we do full question, then we study about that. Gross domestic product at market price. This is net national product at factor cost. Gross and net. The relationship between gross and net is depreciation. Gross is equal to net plus depreciation. Domestic and national. The relationship between domestic and national is NFIA, net factor income from abroad. So domestic is equal to national minus NFIA. Market price and factor cost are related with indirect taxes, net indirect taxes, and the NIT, or we can say the market price is equal to factor cost plus NIT, net indirect taxes. Gross and net relation, depreciation. Gross is equal to net plus depreciation. Domestic is equal to national minus NFIA. Market price is equal to factor cost plus NIT. NNPFC is 2000 crores plus depreciation 200 minus NIT, net indirect taxes 50 minus NFIA, minus NIT. So NIT is minus 20 plus net indirect tax 50. So plus 2000, 2200, 2250 minus 20, minus plus 20. So the 2270 crores. And write the unit also, which is given rupees in crores. Okay. So this is the GDPMP. We calculate with the help of NNPFC. Second, GNPFC. We can calculate from GDPMP also or NNPFC also. NNPFC, gross net. What is the relationship between gross and net? Depreciation. Gross is equal to net plus depreciation. National same, domestic same. Bas. So 2000 plus depreciation. Depreciation is 200. So the answer is 2200 crores. And the third one is NDPMP. We have GDPMP also. We have GNPFC and NPFC. We can calculate either one, but we calculate which do our work easy. So we can calculate with the help of GDPMP. Net gross relation is depreciation. Net is equal to gross minus depreciation. Domestic same, market price same. So GDPMP is 2270 minus depreciation 200. So the answer is 2070 crores. So this is the answer. This is a complete basic question to calculate the basic GDPMP, GNPFC, NDPFC, or we have numbers of question. And please like, subscribe my channel and like my video, and also press the bell icon so that you will get a notification of my new lectures. The next question, we will do next question. One more question. Calculate NNPFC, NDPMP and GNPMP from the following data: rupees crores. This unit can be rupees crores, rupees lakh, in billion, million, and so on. First, the given is GDPMP. GDPMP is 5000 crores. Second, indirect taxes 200. Third, depreciation is 500. Fourth, subsidies are the grants given by the government to producers as well as consumer. so that price of the product declined. Subsidy is 100. And fifth, NFIA, net factor income from abroad. ROAD, abroad. NFIA, in short form, this is minus 50. This is minus 50. First we calculate NNPFC. We have GDPMP. Now we compare net and gross. Net and gross has relation depreciation. Net is equal to gross minus depreciation. National is equal to domestic. National and domestic has relation NFIA. National is equal to domestic plus NFIA. Factor cost is equal to market price minus NIT. Net indirect taxes. So GDPMP is 5,000 crores minus depreciation 500 plus NFIA minus 50 minus NIT, indirect tax 200 minus subsidies 100. Net indirect tax is indirect tax 200 minus subsidies. Subsidies is 100. So this is 4,500 minus 50 minus 100. So the answer is 350 crores. So this is the answer of NNPFC. Second, we need to calculate NDPMP. We have GDPMP. Because we can calculate with the help of NNPFC also or GDPMP. The best way is to calculate from GDPMP because it reduces our work. Net and gross. Net and gross has relation depreciation. Net is equal to gross minus depreciation. Other same, domestic same, no. Factor cost and market price. Sorry, NDPMP ही है. तो same है. We only do this. ठीक. तो our GDPMP is 5,000 crores minus depreciation 500. So net and gross has relation depreciation. Net is equal to gross minus depreciation 4,500 crores rupees. Third, GNPMP. Third is GNPMP. We can calculate NNPFC or GDPMP. Now we calculate from NNPFC. Gross and net. Gross and net has the relation. Gross and net has the relation of depreciation. Gross is equal to net plus depreciation. National same. Market price and factor cost NIT. Market price is equal to factor cost plus NIT. Net indirect tax. So NNPFC we calculate 4,350 plus depreciation 500 plus NIT. Net indirect tax is indirect tax 200 minus subsidies 100. So 4850 plus 100. So 4950 crore is the answer. So we can calculate the basic things with these following these formulas and methods, and now you can calculate numbers of question on the basis of this. If you have any problem, you can contact me on my number. It will show in screen, and you can give the comment also on my page so that I give more and more response to you. And thank you.